The Brahma Sutra is a fundamental text of which school? A. Vedant school. B. Yoga school. C. Nyaya school. D. Mimamsa school. The correct answer is A. Vedant school. In what year did Alivardi Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, die? A. 1756. Born in 1760. Circa 1764. D. 1750. The correct answer is A. 1756. What happened to the peasants during the Industrial Revolution? A. They were pauperized. B. They became wealthy. C. They joined the middle class. D. They became landowners. The correct answer is A. They were pauperized. What title is used to describe the group of great writers and artists assembled in Vikramaditya's court? A. Vedic scholars. B. Maharajas. C. Navratna. D. Rajput. The correct answer is C. Navratna. Who gave prominence to Tamil music and published books on its history? A. U.V. Swaminathar. B. C.W. Damothranar. C. Thiru 6. Kalyana Sundaram. D. Abraham Pandithar. The correct answer is D. Abraham Pandithar. What is the characteristic shape of triangle tools? A. Crescent-shaped. B. Rectangular. C. Circular. D. Triangular. The correct answer is D. Triangular. What invention by Elias Howe greatly impacted clothing production? A. The mechanical reaper. B. The sewing machine. C. The telegraph. D. The steamboat. The correct answer is B. The sewing machine. What is an illustrious example of the rock-cut style in Pandya architecture? A. Meenakshi Amman Temple. B. Kajugumlai Vettuvankoil Temple. C. Tiruprankundraम Temple. D. Nellappar Temple. The correct answer is B. Kajugumlai Vettuvankoil Temple. Which European power neglected trade and became involved in wars with Indian and other European powers? A. The French. B. The Dutch. C. The English. D. The Portuguese. The correct answer is A. The French. Besides knowing the states, what other aspect is a learning objective regarding the mentioned dynasties? A. Their literary works. B. Their domains. C. Their trade routes. D. Their military strategies. The correct answer is B. Their domains. What materials came to be used in making all products over time? A. Copper and bronze. B. Aluminum and plastic. C. Wood and stone. D. Iron and steel. The correct answer is D. Iron and steel. Which fort became the headquarters for the English in the Eastern Belt? A. Geldria Fort, Pulicat. B. Agra Fort, Agra. C. Fort William, Calcutta. D. Red Fort, Delhi. The correct answer is A. Geldria Fort, Pulicat. What is the primary characteristic of the rock beds at Bhairvamlai that distinguishes them from others? A. They are elaborately carved. B. They are made of wood. C. They are adorned with precious stones. D. They have no headrests. The correct answer is D. They have no headrests. Which dynasty was ruling China when its progress halted at the end of the 19th century? A. The Tang. B. The King, Manchus. C. The Ming. D. Khadaha. The correct answer is B. The King, Manchus. What was required of both monks and nuns in Buddhism for spreading the faith? A. To engage in political activities. B. To lead a life of luxury and comfort. C. To lead a life of purity and poverty. D. To amass wealth and power. The correct answer is C. To lead a life of purity and poverty. What was the proposed change to the soldiers' turbans? A. Replacing them with a round hat. B. Decorating them with feathers. C. Removing them entirely. D. Changing their color to red. The correct answer is A. Replacing them with a round hat. Who paid and controlled the village watchmen? A. The zamindars. B. The kotwals. C. The Joint Public Service Commission. D. The British government. The correct answer is A. The zamindars. What principle guided the hereditary kingship in the Vijayanagar Empire? A. Meritocracy. B. Primogeniture. C. Feudalism. D. Democracy. The correct answer is B. Primogeniture. What was the decisive battle of the Third Carnatic War? A. Battle of Plassey. B. Battle of Buxar. C. Battle of Vandivash. D. Battle of Seringaptam. The correct answer is C. Battle of Vandivash. Which Sangam literature refers to the sea-borne trade in Puhar? A. Naldiyar. B. Agnanuru. C. Pattinappalai. D. Thirukkural. The correct answer is C. Pattinappalai. Which country's air force was incapacitated by a similar air assault from Israel? A. Britain. B. France. C. India. D. Syria. The correct answer is D. Syria. What is the purpose of clicking the yellow man icon when exploring the British Museum? A. To watch the timeline. B. To take a tour. C. To view high-resolution images. D. To find world-famous museums. The correct answer is B. To take a tour. Which dynasty ruled China for about 3 centuries after achieving political unity? A. Suk dynasty. B. Ha dynasty. C. Ming dynasty. D. Tang dynasty. The correct answer is A. Suk dynasty. How many years of division preceded Germany's unification? A. 40. B. 25. C. 45. D. 35. The correct answer is C. 45. Which of these competent officials was patronized by Akbar? A. Raja Todar Mal. B. Birbal. C. Jahangir. D. Abul Fazl. The correct answer is A. Raja Todar Mal. What was the southernmost extent of the Mughal Empire after the conquest of the Deccan Sultanates? A. Madurai. B. Madras, Chennai. C. Mysore. D. Kanyakumari. The correct answer is B. Madras, Chennai. What type of art is found at Porivurai cave in Karikiyur, Nilgiris? A. Sculptures. B. Metalwork. C. Pottery. D. Prehistoric rock art. The correct answer is D. Prehistoric rock art. Which movement was born in the Tamil region? A. Civil disobedience movement. B. Non-cooperation movement. C. Swadeshi movement. D. Self-respect movement. The correct answer is D. Self-respect movement. Which group did the Portuguese try to break? A. The French. B. The British. C. The Arabs. D. The Dutch. The correct answer is C. The Arabs. Which ruler was considered the greatest of the Sangam dynasty? A. Saluva Narsimha. B. Devrai I. C. Harihar II. D. Devrai II. The correct answer is D. Devrai II. How did you score?